Yeah.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, campers. Welcome to AI Camp Launch Week, day 4. Today we're going to check out the OpenRouter integration. And I'm joined by the wonderful founders of AI Camp, Shreya and Nishchit. How you both doing today?
Absolutely great, Joy. This integration was the most asked feature since the last 1 month. 1 month on our Kenny open public roadmap, and now it's available. So I am super much excited and very happy.
Wow, a lot of people were bugging you about this one, huh? To get it
Yes,
ready to go. What is OpenRouter for people that don't know?
yeah. So Open Router is a service where you can have the access of multiple LLMs over only one single API key. Yes. So if you would like to access the OpenAI models, Anthropic models, and Gemini models, so you need multiple keys you will have to create from their own platform. You have to create account, you have to manage the billings and everything. Where OpenRouter giving is a routing service on top of the multiple models. So they provide API key and they offer option to choose your preferred LLM to choose over and uh, from the one API key, you can access more than 100 models, I guess.
Okay. So the benefit is that you can access a lot of models and there's also security benefits and other things as well.
Uh, Not that much because security is provided by the LLM provider itself, and they are
Okay.
just routing through there. So they are not doing much towards the extra security on top of that. But they are giving a very flexible options like if one model is not behaving good, then you can route to different models. So one model is not ready or taking longer time to create responses, then you can configure in it a way that it will skip the default model and move on to the next model. So that's why the name is routing.
Gotcha. So yeah, so that's I guess the main benefit and why
Yes,
users want to use OpenRouter rather than just putting your key token in each spot. It'll adjust for that. Okay, that's
yes,
great. You want to show us how the integration works on the system, how it's set up, or where we can
yes,
find it.
yes, absolutely. I'm going to present my screen. So here everyone, this is the main dashboard of AI Camp. So if you would like to integrate the OpenRouter integration in AI Camp, so there is a setting. Under this setting, you can go to the models, and here you will have this option. You can see OpenRouter integration is here, and you can click on this connect button. It will ask you to enter your OpenRouter API key. If you don't know how to create, here is the link. You can go to there, and you can create your own OpenRouter key. So I have my own key, and now I'm going to connect it. Okay, so once it will be connected, you can see this flag here connected page. It will appear immediately. And currently, we have enabled OpenAI and Anthropic models through the OpenRouter. And if you need extra models by using the OpenRouter, please do let us know in our Discord channel, because each model we have to test out first by ourselves with our system, and everything works fine, then we are enabling it for you. So that's how it works. uh, Now from this open router you can enable switch on multiple models of your need. So currently I'm enabling GPT-4o, then cloudy, cloudy 3 opus, cloudy 3 sonnet. So I have enabled these 4 models, and when you go back to your dashboard, and you can see when you hover here, right, so you can see there is open router appear in a muted text just after this model. So that means this Anthropic Cloud 3 Sonnet is available through the OpenRouter. This Opus is from the OpenRouter, and GPT-4o is from the OpenRouter. So now this all models you have enabled from the model hub through the OpenRouter will be available for your entire organization, the every members of the workspace.
Love
So
this
that's
page. I
yes,
love, and you just added it. I see right below the other models. That's great. So you could go switch back and forth and adjust everything quickly on the fly.
yes. Uh, you can enable and disable any models from this dashboard very quickly for your whole organization, and every member in this workspace will have access of these available models enabled by you.
Is OpenRouter the new standard? I'm seeing it on many AI tools. Is this becoming the way to go? You know, besides the bring your own key sections.
It's kind of, you can say, yes, and there are multiple other services also. We are talking with them how good they are doing it. OpenRouter is famous because it was the early player in the market, and the founder is also well known, I guess.
Yeah.
Yes,
I remember
OpenSea.
when I first saw it. I think I saw it the first time on a tool somewhere, and I said, "What is this about? Like a router? We need another router? You know what? An internet? What is this open
Yes.
router? You know,
So
is this gonna cost? How much is it gonna cost me?" But it's very beneficial. So
yeah, if I'm not wrong, the company was the OpenSea into the NFTs field. So the same founder have created OpenRouter from OpenSea.
nice. Open. There you go. Yeah, I remember the NFT
Yes,
craze.
yes.
I'm still trying to
And
get back into that.
yes, and the main benefit of having the open router is you just need to pay and manage your subscription at one place only. Only you will have to pay to the open routers. You don't need to add more management extra burdens on your side. Otherwise, you will have to create a multiple accounts on multiple platforms and have to manage your subscriptions.
Yeah. Okay. So it organizes things much better in
Yes,
that sense, especially for a team setup, less
yes,
moving parts. But you could still go back and forth, correct? You can, if you don't want to use Open Router, you can use your Open AI key and
yes, absolutely, absolutely.
Claude. And okay. All right.
And one
That's
benefit I see from the open router is that they are also offering the beta models available in the market. So sometimes what happen, like when OpenAI launch something in a beta, so they only provide those features to very specific set of people, and it will never get to it will not share with the general public. So
yeah.
in that case, we can utilize the benefit of we can leverage the benefit of open router to get access to the early models.
Oh, that's great. That's great. And I could see why so many of your users were requesting this one.
Yes.
So now they're gonna request the next thing in your Discord group. What is gonna be the next feature? Or you already know.
Uh,
Every
uh,
day something new, right?
yeah, actually, we have more than a 50 feature request already available on our Canny roadmap.
Wow. And how do you select or decide what is worth moving forward with? Do you see what is necessary or the most request, or do you say right away, even if you get many requests for a feature, that it's not really part of the core of AI Camp? You know, you have to say no, obviously, to certain features
Yeah,
because
absolutely,
then you'll
absolutely.
be everywhere like an octopus.
Yes. So we listen to our paying customer first.
Yeah, good advice. That's good. That's important. That's good. Good
Yeah.
strategy. I like that.
Yeah. Uh, so we do our customer interviews internally. We talk with them over Discord, over email channels, and sometimes we also conduct the one-to-one interview on Zoom
Okay,
call,
that's great.
and we decide what to build now. Because AI is something like every direction you will see something to build, right? So it is very generalized solution. So every people need a different kind of features in the applications, and end of the day you will build up something
Yeah.
like completely.
It's interesting. It's AI, but the human element is so important. You know, we're building this technology, and we the human input is still more important. What are you going to
Yeah,
do with the AI? How are you going to use it? What makes your workflow easiest, quickest? Because you ask 10 people, using an AI tool or using AICamp, they're probably all going to give you different, what their use cases are and what they need first. So I know OpenRouter though, I'm glad you added because that's something I've seen on like I said, on many AI tools, AI writing tools. It seems the users, most of them request it. When I see it on other roadmaps. So I've
Yes,
used it on, I think, on only one so far. I like it. It's easy to use, like you said, and works well. So I'm going to try it on AI Camp now. Make life easier for the team.
absolutely.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
our main goal is to help a company owner or a organization, the management team, to allow their entire employee base or team members, offer them access of the multiple AI at the same time, and they can manage, control, and governance from the top, and
yeah,
they can also observe like how the organization are being API first organization. So
yeah.
that's what we are focusing core, and surrounding it we are building the features which can be helpful to the organization owners, the CXO team, management team, and also to their members, in terms of accessibility.
Yeah, organization's key. With the project management tools, CRMs,
Yes.
whether you're using like Asana or any other tool that if for agency, you definitely want to organize. I always say organize the chaos because if you just have everybody using ChatGPT or this one's using Claude and this one's using this tool, and then you have a lot more work where you have to email back and
Yes.
forth, and I know just being at an agency myself, we share a lot over Slack, and we're
Yes.
going back and forth and this and that, and it's great. It works well, but the more I use AI Camp and I want to implement it with the team, it's such a time saver where you're working there in that space directly, and you have your little rooms, your little organizations where I could keep my SEOs away from my graphic designers, and then the project managers, you want to put them in a whole nother room because they're gonna come in, and then you got the silly people. We need the silly. I want to meme AI camp room. We can just be silly and just have fun and tell jokes, and then they'll be good.
Cool, cool, cool. Thank you very
Yeah,
much, Jai.
no, no, it's great. This is great. Great day four. No, any questions? We don't have questions, but we have, I think, 16 or so people just sitting there watching us. Hopefully we provide some value. Well, I know Anishtit does, and Shreya, as always,
Yeah.
you guys are doing great. So, but thanks so much for doing this again.
Thank
Yeah.
you, everyone. We are super motivated by our community because they are pushing us every day to do hard things first, and they also help us to fix our priorities, what to build, and what is the current requirement in the market. So that's how we are building and shaping the AI camp together with our community. So thank you, everyone.
You guys are moving
Yeah.
fast. Shreya keeping everything organized, right? It's moving quickly. Every
Yeah.
day you got a schedule. It's perfect.
Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much, everyone, for joining. If you have any question, feedback, or if you just wanted to say hi to us, below is the Discord link. You can join our community and say hi. We talk a lot about AI and what's
Yeah.
the future of AI.
Yeah.
So
So one more request is that if you would like to have any specific model available under the open router available in AI Camp, so please do let us know in our Discord channel. So we will enable it by applying some testing on it.
It's great that you listen to the users. That's excellent. And invest in founders, good founders. You're both good people. And I'm not just saying that. You're not paying me to say that. I'm doing this because we're friends, and we become friends during this launch week. And
yeah,
tomorrow we have what board? Day 5, right? We're gonna
yeah,
meet again
it's a
tomorrow.
So
yes,
Step 5 is we are going to launch the chat presets. It will help you to customize your AI responses, like you need in a long form, in a short form, what kind of tone you would like to have in your response, or which language you want the response being. So
yeah,
that's what configuration we are going to launch.
Very nice.
yeah,
Day 5. So for Friday, or it's Saturday almost in some places. In New York,
yeah,
it'll be Friday. I think it's Friday tomorrow. I don't know anymore what day it is.
Friday, Friday, the last day of our launch week.
the last day. We're not going to go into the weekend. We're not going to have how about a launch after party? Is that Friday night? Come on, let's have a camp party. Let's get the
Yeah,
campfire going. Let's go. All right,
Yeah,
next week we'll do the party week. Next week's party week.
absolutely.
Vacation.
Absolutely.
definitely.
You need a vacation. Both of you need a vacation. I keep telling you. You worked hard.
Cool.
Yeah, we are gonna take it.
Yes, you
Yeah.
deserve it. If anyone deserves it, both of you deserve it with all these updates. Wow.
Okay. Thank you so much. Let's call it a day and meet again tomorrow, same time.
Okay. Bye,
Thank you.
everybody.
Okay. Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.